Here I have Samsung Galaxy A8 2018, and let me show you how to check the warranty status, warranty date, country and carrier on the following device just by using the IMEI number. So of course at the very beginning you need to check out your IMEI number on your device. Let's enter the following secret code *#06#. As you can see, your IMEI number just pops up, so let's use just one of them. Let's enter the following website, IMEI.info. Let's enter the IMEI into this empty bracket right here. Alright, this is my email. Let me choose that I'm not a robot. Let's tap check, and as you can see, this is your model, Galaxy A8 2018, your brand. Here you've got basic information, and here you need to select warranty, country and carrier under free checks. Tap check Samsung phone details. Let's wait a few seconds. You can tap OK to close your IMEI info on your device. Let's just wait for the results. Alright, and here you can read such stuff as your IMEI number, master number, serial number, and most important data right here: the purchase country, production date, warranty date. In my case, the warranty status is yes, and the warranty expire date is right here. You can also see the manufacturer, sold by and shipped to information, and very useful stuff, which is the carrier. In my case, it's Open Carrier from Poland. So that's it. Everything is free, and you can get access to this info just by using your IMEI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.